Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Edith Gonzalez, and if you guys did not yet see my other video, it's gonna be down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go see that. But today, this is a very exciting video because this is a Coachella inspired makeup tutorial, and I'm pretty sure you guys are not taking me serious because there's a white line in my lips, but believe me, this is what you're going to be seeing in Coachella. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please stay watching and let's get on to the video. Okay, so as you guys could see, obviously my eyebrows are already done and my eyelids are primed and concealed, but that is because that's another video for another day, so just kind of wait on that. But to start off this eyeshadow, we're going to go to the 3502 palette by Morphe, and we're gonna start off by taking this shade right here with your fluffy brush and applying that to your eye. Gonna do the same thing to this eye. So once you guys have applied that first shade, we're going to this shade that is a little bit darker, and the name of it is Orby, I believe. The reason why I have this here is because that way I could tell you guys the name of the shades. So then yeah, take this darker color right here and you're gonna apply that to your crease. So once you have applied that color, we're going to this darker color, which I believe the name of it is Brick. Kind of does look like the color of a brick. And you're gonna apply this to your outer corner of your eye to just simply darken it up, you know. So today I'm gonna be using the NYX Got You Covered concealer, and we're gonna apply that with a flatter brush. So now that you have concealed your eyelids, we're going to be setting them with the translucent powder that I always use. And you're going to just set them in place because we do need them like a very nude color. So with the color that was left on the brush where you applied fire and heat, you're going to go back to it and simply just kind of blend in what you just did together again, so you don't leave that harsh line. Okay, so I know this might be a little bit hard to do that, but I mean, to this day I'm still learning, and it's just all about process. So if you keep trying and you keep doing it, you could achieve it. So yeah, just once you're done doing that, we're gonna move on to eyeliner and eyelashes. But of course I'm gonna be doing that off camera because that's another video for another day, so you know, expect that. So we're gonna move on to foundation, and the foundation we're gonna be using. So now that you have applied your eyelashes and eyeliner, we're gonna move on to foundation, and today the foundation I'm gonna be using is the Photo Focus Wet n Wild foundation, just like this, and I use the shade Golden Beige. And I'm just gonna simply be applying it. So now we're gonna be spraying our beauty blender so it could be very nice and moist. Oh, I use this coconut water spray. It's just like this. It's really cute and it does work. Oh, there goes my hair again. You're going back. Okay. So we're gonna be moving on to concealer, and I'm gonna be using this one. I don't know the name of it, but So once you have set your face using the translucent powder, now we're going to take your bronzer, which is, I'm going to be using this one again, and I'm simply going to bronze off my face with this contour brush. Now that you have bronzed up your face and concealed it and you're finished with it completely, we're going to go back to our eyeshadow and we're going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and we're going to be taking the shade, I don't know what the name of the, oh, they're in the back, huh? We're going to take Jada. Ooh. We're going to take this shade Jada and we're going to be applying it in our bottom lid. Today. Now that you have applied that shade, we're going to go into this shade and we're going to be applying it in our corner. Just like that. Since it is gold, we're going to also be mixing it with this shade right here, which is called Obsessed. And be adding it. So we're going to be doing highlight, and I love this part. It's just so pretty. So I applied on my lips the NYX liquid cream lipstick, but I'm also going to add the liquid matte lipstick by NYX in the shade Ruffle Trim. So I stopped recording, but I simply just did a circle, and we're gonna do that for the rest of our eyebrow. So I'm gonna go in a little bit light at first, and then I'm gonna start darkening it up. I'm also gonna do the thing on the lip, so I mean, I've seen this all over Tumblr, so you best believe I'm gonna. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more of me. Also, make sure you guys go follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram. And yeah, so stay tuned for other videos, and thank you for watching. Bye.